Alright, uh, December 5th, 2025. I'm gonna be backtesting March 28th through April 1st, and I'm also gonna review today's price action. I didn't wake up, so it's gonna be a hindsight review. Couldn't trade this morning, so yeah, get right into it, into the backtesting. We got buy side up here. We got London low, still intact. Hold on, give me a second. London low here. We got sell side right here. Buy side did get taken. So we could see London low, potentially, but we'll see. Check the higher time frame real quick. Inside of a gap, draw is still higher. We're coming off this 4 hour here, so I could see price going higher still. Would want to see a manipulation where maybe London low. So we could honestly, we maybe could see London low before getting any move higher. We do have some nice draws. All this lowers this liquidity, but we'll see what happens here. Okay, we're gonna push higher. End up getting buy side. We open up a new 5 minute. All right, we hit buy side right here. No entry in my opinion. Um, Mark out this 15 minute. Yo. I think price is in a 15 minute as well. I think. We got this high here. You know, I should just use this for these ones. Way easier. Alright, we've been took that level, so we'll see how price reacts off of this sweep of buy side here. That gives us an S&T at the highs as well. Continue higher. We're gonna open up a 5 minute, so delete this. We already inversed that. Potentially we get pulled back into this 5 minute. We continue higher to the 15 minute for value gap or buy side. Let's see, where's the buy side? Oh, buy side's kind of far. It's kind of far here. So low key, I would much rather want shorts. If we could get anything that looks good. Oh, give me a second. Alright. One version, it's 950. Let's see. Stay patient here. Get this 2 minute inverse to the downside. We have a 3 minute here as well. You have 3 minute close. You have 4 minute. Technically have a 4 minute. Tapped into that 5 minute, and we have this 15 minute right here. So if we get a good retracement, then alright, yeah, I'm not taking this. Tapping into the 15 minute. Draw is still that buy side right there. Taking liquidity. Oh, do these ads. Taking liquidity here. We have a 3-minute to inverse, 4-minute. We don't inverse it. We get a resweep. We continue lower, potentially. We have a 5-minute. It's 10:30. We could go to the sell side here. Rejecting that 15-minute, coming off this buy side. We respected this 5-minute. We have this other 5-minute right here. We are in this 15-minute, so it's a little bit risky. 2-minute, a 3-minute IFEG, which we get. We get an inversion of that. But price also took the internal low. So I'm going to fade this one. Now we get this 5-minute inversion. It's 10:45. We're tapping into this 5 minutes. So personally, I'm just not going to take anything for the rest of the session. 5-minute inverse to the downside. Yeah, I can see it shorting. Yeah. Faded this one. Why did I fade this one? The 3-minute inverse. Well, we got SMT at the low, and we're also inside of 15-minute for value gap. So in terms of probability, it's not that high of a probability setup, or not a valid area to apply discretion. So good fade in my opinion. We're coming off this buy side, coming off this 15-minute gap, and then coming off a bullish 15-minute gap. Next we got 10 a.m. news, Tuesday. Start with the 4-hour. Alright, we tick buy side. But we're definitely reaching this buy side right here. Coming off this buy side. Alright, we already got SMT here. Yes, super close to this 4-hour. Alright, if we could get a retracement into this 15-minute for value gap, potentially look for a long. Also have this hourly here. We get a 4-minute inverse to downside, but we're not coming off of anything. Unless we, okay, we have an hourly here. And then ES also tapped into a 4-hour. It's potentially, we have a 15-minute here as well. Coming off that 15-minute pretty nicely as well. Stop SMT at the high. Yes, it's tapping into this 4-hour and taking liquidity. Price is just super bullish. So I don't know if I want to fade that, but if I am going to be longing, I would want to see the 15-minute for value gap. So I think we can at least get there. Be almost a 1-1. Take a stab at this. It's going to be a 4-minute inverse. It is counter trend, but understanding that we need to manipulate before moving higher, and just the confidence behind it. That's why I'm getting in it. So we'll see how it goes. Go break even here. It's a 4-minute, right? Yeah, it's a 4-minute. It's 9:30. Okay. The only problem with this trade, I'd say, we already have SMT at the break-even low. What is market open or near market open? So I think we could still get it. All right, we're gonna get ahead break-even. See if we get a solid setup, but that SMT definitely did make it a little bit less probable. From here, I'd want to see price still continue to this 15-minute. But we'll see what happens. Alright, could get a 2-minute inverse. 3-minute? 2-minute. 3-minute. 4-minute? No 4-minute. 5-minute? No 5-minute. Alright, it'll be a 3-minute here. Get a 3-minute inversion. Target is gonna be the buy side above. I'm gonna go break even right here. Yeah. I'm gonna go break even there. I'm not gonna set it, but if I get hit break even, then I don't get hit break even. Alright, I get stopped out. Stopped out. We tap into this hourly for value gap. See if we get a reaction for longs there. A 3-minute inversion to the downside. See if we can get a close here. Get a nice close, so I'm going to be taking a short here. Price tapped into this 15-minute for value gap. Generate some low resistance liquidity. Sell side is still intact. If we are going to short the hourly, it is holding. But we also inverse this 15-minute for value gap, and we're holding this 15-minute for value gap. So overall external draw is going to be this sell side level, and then the 15-minute for value gaps being held pretty well. For this trade, I'm going to go for this low here. It's going to be a 3-minute inversion. Stop's going to be at the high for this one. Going for 1R. See, I'm gonna extend this real quick here. See how it goes. Okay, we do have a 5-minute above. We have SMT here. This reaction is pretty good. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take this. Alright, barely missed break even here. Oh, I should have went half size here. Actually, I'm gonna replay that. Yep, chopping up. Oh wait, we had 10 a.m. news, huh? Oh, damn. I forgot about news. I would not have taken this because of news. Damn. Yeah, I would not have taken that because of news. Oh, alright, whatever. There's a strong rejection off of that. That was pretty convicted for longs. Alright, got chopped up. Good trades in my opinion. Not bad. Alright, choppy price action. Sell side here. Coming off this hourly for value gap. So we got sell side down here. This intermediate term high. Lowers this liquidity up here. Still have all these highs. See what price wants to do. Alright, we get that manipulation. And we have a potential 3-minute inverse. Which we do get, and we have 4-minute as well. 4-minute inversion. Ooh. Okay. Actually like this 4-minute inverse. It's pretty low close, so if this is gonna be the trade, my TP would probably be just extended to 1R. And then break even here. Came off that intermediate term high pretty nicely. And this 15-minute intermediate term high, we're still respecting this. Hourly for value gap. Pretty bearish. 5-minute. You have SMT. I have SMT with this high. There's a 15-minute intermediate term high. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna slap this on. We have 4-minute close. Got wicked out. Generate more liquidity. Ended up taking the high out. Yeah. Still think price gets short here. To this low. So I'm gonna just target this low, the sell side here. Got SMT at the high. It's got a 2-minute inversion. Have news today. We have no. What we did by 8:30. 9:52. I'm gonna take this one. Short. Got wicked out there. Stop was at the body. Would have got hit break even. Yeah, I'm getting really chopped up. But at the same time, draws aren't the cleanest. Should maybe potentially wait for a condition to open up. Or maybe that's just bad price action. Yeah, I'm just getting chopped up with bad price action. End up hitting sell side after inversing the 15-minute fair value gaps. Yeah, I think that's pretty unlucky. I think the idea of the setup was pretty good. The reactions off these levels are pretty good. We're still respecting this 15-minute intermediate term high. I think the inversion was pretty clean. The 4-minute inverse was really clean. If you look at all the time frames, yeah, it was pretty super volatile inversion there. So I'd take this setup. The reason why I took it is because we got a resweep here, and then we got the SMT here, and we tap into this higher 15-minute intermediate term high, which was probably more discounted or premium. Yeah, more premium level here. And then we got that pretty nice 2 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute inversion. I think that's pretty nice inversion. Yeah, pretty volatile on that. I think, however, my stop should have been here, so it would have been a break even trade. Uh, yeah, it would have been a break even trade. Would have gone break even here, but I ended up getting stopped out there. Pretty unlucky, but pretty bad week. Pretty bad week for backtesting. We'll see. It evens out. Had a great this month has so far has been crazy, so still gonna be up fat, but definitely have to practice not giving profits back. So realistically, I'd probably not like I think I was up like 11% total for that month itself when rate went down from those losses. Yeah, so I'm still up 7%, but I'd honestly probably take a week off after this, or maybe de-risk or something, because when you're in a long win streak, actually you like it's I don't know, I don't even know what I'm saying. Of course, you want to keep that momentum, but it's bound to come up. I saw a video on that somewhere with Umar and Jade Cap and what's his name? Kane, Trader Kane on Words of Wisdom. They had some pretty saucy things that they said in there. Really, really good podcast. Anyways, um, this is a pretty high resistance low. Honestly, not feeling this day. After that, got a little not shaken up, but looks like price action isn't really doing the best. So we just swept this 15-minute low. I want to see if this price gonna continue higher from here. Is this gonna be the soup, or are we just gonna dump? So we get a dump here, sweep sell side. We have this lower intermediate term low as a target. Let's see. Take this intermediate term low within the gap. We have a 5-minute for value gap here. See if we get that tap. Miss it. We miss it. Price missed it. Alright. We have a 15-minute. It's a 15-minute intermediate term low, and it's a 15-minute gap. Much rather would have wanted that to get hit if we're going to be longing. Tap that. We have a 30-second here with the resweep. So we got to get a 30-second inverse. This is going to be a 30-second inverse. Stop's going to be at the bodies. Do we have SMT? We do have SMT at the lows. Not the best SMT, but we do have SMT. And we're rejecting that level. 15-minute and 5-minute for value gap. Get this inverse. Target's going to be the 5-minute for value gap. Break even is going to be this internal high. Alright. Let's break even there. Damn. Could not give me a trade. Oh, we put an SMT in there. Oh wait, no, that's not even a high. Oh, it is a high, so we did put an SMT. Should have just taken what the market gave me. Could have just taken what the market gave me. 1-1. Alright, it's all good. 9:54. Let's see if we can get anything. Break even and then TP hit. Alright. We have sell side draws. We still have these lows here. So potentially come down. Maybe. We got 15-minute for value gap. About to open up. Okay. 10 a.m. news. Manipulates lower. Maybe 2-minute here. We get a 1-minute, but it's also a 3-minute and a 4-minute and a 5-minute. All right, if we get a 5-minute inversion, I will potentially take this. Super shallow close. This is gonna be kind of risky, but it's 10:20 and okay. Bro, shut up, Ralphs. All right. I think the draw is still lower to the sell size. ES is definitely gonna move lower. For this one, it's gonna be a little bit more discretionary. Do like the inversion, so I'm definitely it's gonna be 100% forcing. No, I'm kidding. Gonna monitor this low on ES. Once ES takes out this low, I'll go break even on NQ, and then just hold my way out until ES takes out the sell side level. Unless, where is it? Yeah, all right. We'll see. See what happens here. Respecting that 15-minute nicely. So give me a 5-minute inverse. Oh, that's already break even. That would have already been break even. It's already break even. I got break even on that after we got that SMT. Break even on the day. 10:35. Probably not gonna take anything rest of the day. So go to the next day. Again, just some chop. See price coming down to the sell side level, but nothing lower than I'm really confident in. So if we get good price action to get to this low. Oh, bro, I hit an hourly candle. Bruh. Let's see, do we get there? 9:15. Let's see. So draw was definitely correct. Fortunately, I played it. I'm looking for this high right here. See if we were able to get an entry. Either that high or this high here. So we get this high. We get a 2-minute. We have a 2-minute here. We have a 2-minute here. Super strong candle, so I'm not taking anything here. Yep. End up getting that flush. Okay, no entry. We tapping his hourly for value gap. Price is gonna be bearish. Draw would be here. It's pretty far draw. Coming off this 15-minute intermediate term low, 15-minute for value gap. Super bearish. No targets for higher, other than this 1-minute LRLR. Nothing. High resistance low. I'm not gonna take anything here unless we create a 5-minute condition for higher prices. Couldn't even tap into the 15-minute. Did not open a new gap. It's already 10:29. Probably not going to take anything for the rest of the session. 10:38. No 5-minute. No 15-minute. Moving sideways. 10:48. We get the sweep of this high. Got no imbalance to inverse. Got a 1-minute inversion here at 10:55. Super choppy. Would have gotten stop and nothing. 58% win rate on this. Still up 72%. Don't really care about the win rate. That's just the overall, but like in terms of the month, probably looking at what 70%, something like that. But yeah, pretty L month, risk over risk a little bit. Should have gone half size. Didn't go break even on one of the trades that I should have gone break even on. Definitely gonna note that. I gotta rewatch this this backtesting session. Let's see. I forgot what my trades were. Honestly, I'll just rewatch it myself. Review today. Gotta review today. Delete everything. So I did kind of look at this already. This 4-hour for value gap was getting held here. Then hourlies did get inversed, but this move up occurred already at 9:30 was here. So we take out this buy side level, which is London high, and then ES creates relative equal highs or equal highs. On a 4-hour draw would be this and this for ES, and then for NQ would be this right here. We end up getting a 5-minute push up, right? We take out the London high, and if price is going to be bearish, we should just respect these 5-minute for value gaps. Instead, we respect this 5-minute right here. Respect this 5-minute, and on NQ, or I mean ES, respect the 5-minute, and we take out London. And instead of rejecting this high, we continue to displace past it. So in this case, I mean, in my opinion, if this was live, I would be like, okay, we're probably going to continue being bullish. So with the draw being here, we create a new 5-minute condition, 5-minute for value gap, right here, and we break a new high. So at this point, just your typical market structure, we get a CISD, order block here, we get a fair value gap there, so, and the external draw is higher, so I'd be bullish, in my opinion. Here, this was like a little controversial, I'd say. 10 a.m. does open higher, and then we end up taking this high out right here. So open high, expecting a low close, but kind of like weighing everything out. 1, the external draw is still intact, so it hasn't been taken on either asset. 2, we're blowing past London high, showing no signs of reversing. 3, ES already took out London high. Okay, it was equal highs too. So if we were to be bearish, this is where I'd want to see price reject, right? So since price was already like still continuing to displace, yes, 10 a.m. did open high, low close. I mean, did open higher and manipulate, but at the same time, is a 1-minute is a 1-minute swing high gonna send price to reverse, or are we more likely to go to the buy side level and then reverse lower? In that case, that's exactly what we do, right? We tap into the buy side level above, and then that's where we reverse, right? That's pretty much the logic that I was thinking of when seeing this. Um, so yeah, ES ended up blowing past the equal highs. That's where I wanted to reject, and we just didn't show any signs of it. So I'd say, this trade was pretty solid. It was a 30 second. We take this intermediate term low here, 30 seconds. So we get a manipulation within the 5-minute for value gap, and we get this 30-second inversion. Looks something like this. Stop about right there. Take profit. Could be data highs or hold to up here. Um, Also something that makes it good is that the draw became data highs. So the manipulation was data highs, which I do like. So this setup was you could argue you could argue that it's not a good trade because we manipulated this high, making it high resistance. But discretionary wise, yes, that makes sense. But external draw is still higher, and we're still respecting overall bullish order flow. So I would fade the SMT personally, or not SMT, the manipulation personally. But there are obviously other cases where it would be not okay to fade something like that. Um, what else? I think there was a 4-minute too. Yeah, there was a 4-minute here. It's 4-minute inversion here. So with this 4-minute inversion, I think this was a pretty solid trade. Look like this. It's for the same exact reason, but with the reasoning for this, one, buy side level or the external draw is still higher. Two, yes, we took out London high, but ES created equal highs with London high before in line with this inversion. The thing I'd say is that with this inversion, ES did take out the equal highs, but it's still a solid setup in my opinion. Get this retracement to this 5-minute, get this 4-minute inversion. I would say, yeah, there's two things that I'd say is like kind of not bad, but like that kind of goes against the trade is that this retracement to this 5-minute is just a retracement into a 5-minute. It's not exactly any manipulation, but the overall draw for ES was the equal highs, so you could say that the bullish bias is stronger. But yeah, there's that 4-minute, and I personally like the 30-second more than that 4-minute. I think the 30-second just makes more sense. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Good backtesting session. Definitely got to review that, and then good review on the day. But I'm end this here. All right, guys. All right, late.